Swan here, Community Access Lending, April 12th. In addition to my mortgage market minute, I want to do a quick run through as to why we're so confident rates are going to go down. So first of all, rates are tied to inflation, and there's a lot of indication that inflation is going to continue to go down. Today, the headline number came in at 0.1 versus 0.2 month over month. That's a 50% drop. 0.1 is 50% of 0.2. That's a big difference, right? Relative, not absolute. The core came as expected, but all of these items, shelter, rent, over equivalent rent, all of these items, which reflect in the CPI, they're a huge percentage of the CPI, are all lagging indicators. So what does that mean? What that means is that shelter in the consumer price index has crested. We're seeing it go the other way. We know because it's a lagging indicator that this number, that month-to-month increase is going to go down. So each month that we continue, we're going to replace a higher number, 0.7, 0.6, 0.8 with a lower number. So the average is going to go down. Seems like it's common sense, but no one seems to be paying attention. It's certainly not the Fed. So all of a sudden, inflation in shelter is going to become our friend. And because of that, as inflation goes down, you are going to see mortgage rates drop. That's why we are so confident. The other thing that we have seen here, and this is really important, is there's excess retail inventory. Okay. People bought too much. They didn't know how much people would be buying. They kept buying and kept buying. Now they're starting to tailor it off. So we have companies out there with too much inventory. So they're going to have to stop dropping the prices, and they have plenty of margin to do that. Last slide to share really quickly. This is over the last 6 months. Remember, up is good, down is bad. Green is good, red is bad. We saw where we kind of got after rates hit their very worst point there at the end of October. We saw November 10th, a date we told everyone to mark in their calendar, really great movement in mortgage rates. And then February happened. February is an anomaly, should never happen. I can talk about that all day long. But what this is showing you is all the indicators have us trending towards lower mortgage rates, right? So good news, yes, except it also means that as the interest rates go down, applications go up, and there's going to be more competition. People shouldn't be waiting. Trust me. Don't have me come back and say, I told you so. This is Juan Renteria reminding you this. Not all loan officers are created equal.